Is it gonna move? Whoa. Oh, spinning the tires is a good sign. Hang on. Clicked it over in the 4 low engaged. It's a good sign. Will I move? Look at that. Oh, we're moving. And we got brake. Reverse. Oh, ooh, they're grinding. Brakes are grinding. Wow, that's a good feeling, man. I bet she's happy to shake that off. All right, super weird because I drove forward and backwards and now the tick is gone. What? It's either a really bad sign or a really good sign. Now let me give it a little rev. Yep, tick's gone. Maybe it just needed some oil.